Hi everyone, welcome to the Amazon Management Console. Today we're going to go through something that is critically important for anyone starting off in the cloud, and it's billing. So if you don't want to be out of pocket at the end of the month, it is a very good idea to set alerts on your billing thresholds, which basically means when you go over a certain amount of money within the cloud that somebody screams at you to say, you've gone over your budget, so please get on there and turn off some stuff unless you want to keep getting charged. So how do we do this? We're going to use a service called CloudWatch. So up to the Services tab. Again, let's just type in CloudWatch here. See, it comes up. So monitor resources and applications. So we're going to head over to CloudWatch. CloudWatch is an extremely powerful component within the AWS platform, but today all we're going to talk about is billing. So something important about billing, I'm just going to change my region back to Ireland for a second because I want to show you something. So if you want to create a topic here, an alert, for billing, you're going to have to be in North Virginia. So if I click billing on the left hand side, it's going to tell me to please switch my region. So billing is only available currently in North Virginia. So for anyone who wants to switch between regions, it's up in the top bar and you can select whatever region you want. For the purpose of this, we need to be in North Virginia. It's also very important to keep an eye on your regions when you're deploying resources in the cloud, because you will not see those resources, for example EC2 instances, etc., if you're not in the correct region, and therefore you may forget to turn them off and as a result be billed for them. So when you're starting out first, please make sure that you deploy everything within the one region, that you can track it and you can be aware of it. Okay, so we want to click on billing. And what we want to do here is we want to create an alarm. Okay, so to create an alarm, we want to select the metric. Sorry, I'm after going wrong. So we just want to go back to CloudWatch. We want to go to billing, and we want to create an alarm. Sorry, I don't know what happened there. So, CloudWatch, billing, alarm. The metric is estimated charges. Currency is US dollars. So what we want to do here is we want to select if I spend more than $10, I want to get an alert. Okay, I'll click there. So alert me if I spend more than $10. And I want to create a new topic for that. I'm going to copy name is overspend. I'm going to send this to my email address, gmail.com. Obviously you put your own AWS account email address in there. And I'm going to hit next. Create a topic, and then I'm going to hit next. So you can see that the email endpoint is my email address at gmail.com. I'm of an alarm set. The metric I've previously set to $10. I'm going to go next. Alarm name is overspend, and alarm description is please go home and turn off stuff, because we've obviously left some stuff on, yeah, and hit next. So we'll see the graph has created. So threshold type is static. Whenever estimated charge is greater than $10, send me a notification to overspend and tell me to go home and turn off some stuff. And what you want to do then is you want to create that alarm. And you'll see that overspend has been created. It's pending confirmation, so you'll have to go to your email and verify the SNS topic here. But basically, you have created an alarm as overspend. I'm going to delete this now because obviously my email address at gmail.com is not a real email address. So there's one more step where you go to your email and just follow the hints. So I recommend everyone sets up a billing alarm at the start before you start doing tutorials in order to save yourself some money and not to get overcharged. If you are in a company, the more your resources grow, the more important it is to understand your billing. And I would use the phrase baseline billing. So if I would use billing as a key threat indicator. If your environment per se is burning $300 or $400 in usage a day, and then one day you get a spike of $1,000 or $2,000 in usage, it's very useful then to go investigate, was that an increase in traffic and resources? Is it Black Friday if I have a shopping website and the traffic is just skyrocketed, which has caused my costs to go up? Or have I been compromised in some way, and is there someone on there mining cryptocurrency, for instance? So billing I would describe as a key threat indicator in terms of security in the cloud, and it's something that everyone should be aware of. The cloud is also built to scale up and down, so depending on how you architect your cloud services, it can cost quite a bit of money or it can be very frugal indeed. So billing is a key component to the cloud, and most companies go to the cloud to keep costs down. However, poor configuration and understanding of architecture can result in costs actually increasing. So it's very important to understand billing and services and how you use them within your cloud environment. Okay, so I would suggest you go now to your AWS account, and if you haven't done so already, create an SNS topic to alert you of an overspend based on what you're comfortable with. Thank you.